introduce myself. My name is Livia Dinurajita, NPM 234111095 from class management 23A. Here I will explain the material about the return and portfolio risks. Definition of return. Return is the level of profit obtained by an investor from an investment over a certain period of time. Return can come from an increase in the price of an asset, capital gain, or from income received during the investment period, such as dividends from stocks or interest from bonds. In investment activities, return is one of the most important considerations for investors when deciding where to invest their funds. A higher return indicates that the investment provides greater profit for the investor. Definition of risks. Risks refers to the possibility that the actual return received by an investor will differ from the expected return. In other words, risks represent the uncertainty associated with investment outcomes. Every investment contains a certain level of risks, and generally, the potential for higher returns is accompanied by higher risks. Therefore, investors must carefully consider the balance between the expected return and the level of risks they are willing to accept. Definition of portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of different investment assets owned by an investor at a particular time. These assets may include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other financial instruments. The main purpose of forming a portfolio is to spread investment funds across several assets in order to reduce the overall risks. By investing in multiple assets rather than just one, investors can protect themselves from large losses that might occur if a single investment performs poorly. Portfolio diversification. Portfolio diversification is an investment strategy that involves allocating funds into various types of assets in order to reduce risks. Instead of investing all funds in one asset, investors spread their investment across multiple assets or sectors. Through diversification, losses from one investment can be offset by gains from another. This strategy helps investors manage risks more effectively while still aiming to achieve satisfactory returns. Conclusion. In investment activities, return and risks are two important factors that must always be considered together. Investors generally aim to obtain the highest possible return, but higher returns are usually associated with higher risks. Therefore, building a well-structured portfolio and applying diversification strategies are essential for balancing return and risks. By managing a portfolio properly, investors can minimize potential losses while maximizing the opportunity to achieve their investment goals. Okay, that's all the explanation of the material from me. I end it with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.